sun comes in and it turns off. All right, today we're going to bring an LED light in. Very simple to actually install, right? All you got to do, this is the backing. And once you set it up, you got to set up 3 cables. You got the ground, hot, and neutral. And then these 2 actually embed in here, right, from the front. And of course, you don't have to worry about LED lights because they're already built in, if you guys can see that. And these are waterproof, so they're perfect for your entrances, your garages, your exterior, anywhere that you want to set up around your house. These are perfect. So we're going to set it up. All right, here's the final product, if you guys can see it. Now the sensor is right here in the center, so make sure you clean it up at least once in a while, and it's going to look beautiful. It's going to work very well. So if you guys can see the light, it's really bright in here, so it's shining up the entire area here. So this is perfect if you set up 2 of them side by side in your entrance of your garage, or maybe in the entrance of your home. So all right, so we're going to test out the night to day sensor that it's also included with it. So we're going to go and turn on the lights, and I'm going to simulate a sun. All right, so we're going to go ahead and turn it on, and if you guys can see, immediately it turns off. All right, but if I cover it up, see that? If I move it just a little bit, go away, it turns on after a while, and then the sun comes in and it turns off. Turns on, sun comes in and it turns off. So this is going to save you a lot of energy throughout the day. You don't have to leave it on night. And like I said, I'm going to turn off the light here and immediately it comes back on. So very simple out of the box. I hope you guys enjoy the video.